Hey there, future home sellers. I bet you're wondering if you should replace that old kitchen countertop before listing your house. Well, I've got some surprising news for you, and it might not be what you expect. In this video, we're going to bust some major myths about pre-sale home upgrades. Over the years, I've seen many homeowners sink serious cash into renovations, only to be shocked by how little they boosted their bottom line. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for maximizing your home's appeal without wasting a single penny. Ready to become a savvy seller? Let's dive right in. Picture this, a beautiful marble vanity, a rainfall shower with multiple jets, and a freestanding soaking tub that looks like it belongs in a luxury resort. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the thing. That dream bathroom might not be the selling point you think it is. I've seen this scenario play out so many times. Homeowners invest a fortune in a high-end bathroom remodel, thinking it's the golden ticket to a quick and profitable sale. But let me tell you, that's not always how it works out. Let's talk numbers. A full luxury bathroom overhaul can easily set you back $50,000 or more. That's a lot of cash to sink into one room. Now you might be thinking, but Lily, won't that investment come back to me when I sell? I wish I could say yes, but the reality is often different. I've talked to countless real estate experts, and they all say the same thing. Most buyers aren't willing to shell out the extra dough for those fancy features like heated floors or elaborate fixtures. You'd think people would be falling over themselves for a bathroom that feels like a five-star hotel. But the truth is, overly customized or super luxurious bathrooms can actually make it harder to sell your home, because although it may be super awesome, buyers are unwilling to pay what you paid. Remember those huge Whirlpool tubs that were all the rage a few years back? Nowadays, many buyers see them as impractical space hogs. They're much more likely to swoon over a sleek walk-in shower, because today it's all about practicality and personal taste. Here's a better approach. Focus on moderate, tasteful updates. A fresh coat of paint, new fixtures, and maybe an updated vanity can go a long way. Adding energy-efficient lighting or replacing old shower heads with modern water-saving designs are small, cost-effective upgrades that buyers will notice. Next up, let's talk about the heart of the home, the kitchen. You've probably heard that kitchens sell houses, right? Well, I'm about to challenge everything you thought you knew about kitchen upgrades. Here's the thing. Many sellers think they need to go all out with a full kitchen remodel. They dream of gleaming stainless steel appliances, custom cabinets, and countertops that can cost more than a car. But let me tell you, that's a recipe for disappointment when it comes to selling your home. I know what you're thinking, but Lily, won't buyers be wowed by a chef's kitchen? Sure, they will definitely be impressed, but that doesn't mean they'll pay extra for it. In fact, you might be shocked to learn that you probably won't even recoup half of what you spent on a high-end kitchen remodel. Here's a smarter strategy. Stick to smaller, high-impact updates that give you more bang for your buck. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders, and swapping out old hardware for new modern pieces can give your kitchen a whole new look. Adding under-cabinet lighting or updating the faucet to a sleek, energy-efficient model are small touches that modernize the space without a big investment. Moving on, let's tackle the topic of motorized blinds. They're undeniably cool and add a sleek modern feel to your home. Believe me, I've got them. But they can cost upwards of $1,000 per window, and that's a hefty price tag most buyers won't justify. If you love them for your own convenience, by all means, go for it. But don't expect motorized blinds to increase your home's resale value. Now let's step outside. Ever dreamed of a backyard oasis that'll make your neighbors green with envy? Hold that thought. Some outdoor upgrades can sink your home's value faster than you can say splash. Picture this, a sparkling pool and a fancy outdoor kitchen. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the thing. Many buyers see these as major headaches. That $100,000 pool, it could be a deal breaker for families with young kids or anyone who doesn't want the hassle of maintenance. And it's not just about the money. Pools can be seen as liabilities. Think safety concerns, insurance costs, and ongoing upkeep. Even in warm climates where you'd expect pools to be popular, they might only bump up your home's value a smidge. The same goes for elaborate outdoor kitchens. They look great in magazines, but real estate experts warn against these over improvements. You often won't get back what you put in when it's time to sell. So what works instead? Keep it simple and low maintenance. A well-kept yard with basic landscaping can work wonders for curb appeal without breaking the bank. Try these budget-friendly ideas. Clean up your patio area. Add some attractive potted plants. Create a small, cozy seating area. Consider solar-powered lighting for an eco-friendly, cost-effective ambiance. Remember, potential buyers want to imagine themselves relaxing in your outdoor space, not drowning in maintenance costs. All right, let's talk about a hot topic, energy efficiency. You might think it's a silver bullet for selling your home, but I'm here to tell you it's not always the case. In fact, some green upgrades could leave you seeing red when it's time to sell. Think about it. You go all in on energy efficiency. New windows, solar panels, maybe even whole house insulation. Sounds awesome, right? But many buyers just don't care enough to pay extra for it. They're often focused on what they can see and feel right now, not potential savings down the road. Those solar panels, they might even complicate things if they're leased. Here are some better moves. Focus on smaller, visible improvements, like replacing bulbs with LEDs, installing a smart thermostat, or making sure your HVAC system is well maintained. These changes feel modern and practical without overwhelming buyers. Next, let's talk floors. Exotic hardwoods or marble can certainly make a statement, but unless the rest of your home matches that level of luxury, these upgrades rarely pay off. Opt for durable and stylish alternatives like engineered hardwood or luxury vinyl plank. These materials are more affordable and still give a polished modern look that appeals to buyers. Finally, with remote work on the rise, dedicating an entire bedroom to a home office might sound like a brilliant idea. However, once you install built-ins and custom desks, you've effectively reduced your home's bedroom count, and that can lower your resale value. Buyers often prioritize having extra bedrooms, so it's wiser to stage the space as a flexible office/guest room combo. This way, potential buyers can easily imagine how they'd use the room for their own needs, keeping your home appealing to a broader audience. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick rundown of the key points. Luxury bathrooms and kitchens. Stick to cost-effective upgrades, not over-the-top remodels. Motorized blinds and specialized features. Cool for personal use, but don't expect a big ROI. Backyard add-ons. Keep it simple. Elaborate pools and kitchens often scare off buyers. Energy efficiency. Smaller, visible, eco-friendly touches go further than big-ticket unseen upgrades. High-end flooring. Choose affordable, stylish options. Office conversions. Versatility beats built-ins, and bedrooms hold more value. All right, let's officially wrap this up. When selling your home, focus on what really matters to buyers. Clean, decluttered spaces that feel welcoming. A little elbow grease and smart minor updates can go a long way. Fresh paint, updated hardware, and good lighting make a huge difference in how buyers perceive your home. Walk through each room, list small but impactful improvements, and skip the expensive projects that don't pay off. Trust me, these simple steps will lead to a quicker sale and peace of mind. And hey, if you have any questions or need one-on-one advice about selling your home, no matter what state you are in, feel free to reach out. My contact information is in the description box below, and I'm here to help you make this home selling process smoother and profitable for you. Please don't forget to subscribe for my channel, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Happy selling!